What's up, YouTube? Guys, thanks for tuning in. During this video, we will have a breakdown of the collaboration with our Honda Type R watch, our commercial for Honda, and also details on how and why we did the collab, so stay tuned.
Yo, Mark, Type R watches are here.
Okay, so before we break down the watch details, let's check out the box. Right away, you see this red foil, smooth Honda emblem, as well as the part number AM237TR, which stands for Type R. Removing the sleeve, you see the Civic Type R embossed. This also has foil, the Civic Type R in silver, and the huge red R. On the back of the box, you see the Honda official licensed product disclaimer in foil as well. Another great feature on this box is the magnet. When you go to close it, it does snap in. When you open the box, you see this insert, Civic Type R with the foil embossed, as well as the Civic quote. Removing the insert, behind it is the instruction manual to set your Ambassador MK3 Type R watch, as well as a certificate card. The first thing you notice taking this watch out of the box is the semi-polished case. So the side cases have a polished finish, while the bezel and the front of it is brushed stainless steel. Gives it a real good 3D look. The case is made of 316 NASA grade stainless steel, Meister engraved on the side, and the M logo on the crown. This is our version 2 of the Type R watch. The Civic text has been removed from the dial face. Another awesome feature is the real carbon fiber inside the dial face. We have matched details from the car to the watch. The red accents as well as the red second hand, you see the Type R and the Honda emblem. The watch features a Japanese Seiko 6-hand movement, 24-hour clock, timer, and a date window. The band is genuine leather with red stitching to match the Type R interior. Another great feature is the interchangeable band. All you have to do is push down on this latch and it removes it to replace it with another one. The back of the watch features the Honda logo, the Civic Type R limited edition. All watches are individually numbered and all watches are water resistant to 100 meter. Okay guys, that concludes the breakdown of this watch. We also have a video of the black version, so make sure you check that one out as well. Please like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave comments. We answer them daily. Stay tuned for some detailed shots of this watch on wrist and some lifestyles of it.